Hello once again. Welcome to the continuation on the solutions to the B.E.C.E 2024 mathematics questions. In the previous videos, we started solving the B.E.C.E 2024 mathematics questions, the theory part, and we've already done question 2 and 3. And now we are on the question 1, and also the question 1 we've done the question 1a, and in this video I want us to look at the question 1c, as you can see from the board. Okay, and I will encourage you to do all to watch the previous video so that you can learn from it as well. And please don't forget to like the videos and also share them after watching. And if you are watching for the first time, please do all to follow my page and also subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at the question. Let's read it together. Okay, so the 1c, it says that copy and complete the 3 by 3 magic square such that the sum of the numbers in each row, column and diagonal is equal to 21. Okay, so we are being asked to copy and complete the table, and there's a condition given for us to copy and complete the table. It says that such that the sum of the numbers in each row, column and diagonal is equal to 21. Okay, so now this is the row. Okay, so this is the row, this is the column, and this is the diagonals. Okay, so having this as the column, this as the row, this as the diagonal, this is equally the diagonal as well. We are being asked to fill in such that the sum of the numbers in each row, column and diagonal is equal to 21. What that means is that, let's start with the row. Okay, these are the rows. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, they are the rows. Now it says that when we add the values which are supposed to be in the rows, each of them is supposed to give us 21. So when I add this to this and also the number which is supposed to be here, which we are the ones who are supposed to find that number, when we add the 3 of them, we are supposed to get 21. Again, when we add the number which is supposed to be here, which we need to find it, and also to this 7, and also to the number which is supposed to be here, when we add them, it's supposed to give us 21 as well. I hope you are okay with it. And also, when we add the number which is supposed to be here, the number which is supposed to be here as well, and also the number which is supposed to be here, when we add them, it's supposed to give us 21 as well. Okay, that's the meaning of it. And also, when it comes to the column, okay, these are the columns. So meaning that when we add the 10 to the number which is supposed to be here, and also to the number which is supposed to be here, we are supposed to get 21 as well. Again, when we add this 3 to the 7 and also to the number which is supposed to be here, we are supposed to get 21 as well. And also, when we take the number which is supposed to be here, plus the number which is supposed to be here, and also plus the number which is supposed to be here, we are equally supposed to get 21 as well. Okay, that's the column. Now the diagonal. Okay, these are the diagonal, this side and this side, that's the diagonal. Okay, meaning that when we add the number which is supposed to be here to the 7 which is here, plus the number which is supposed to be here, we have to get 21. Again, when we add the 10 to the 7 which is here, and also we add it to the number which is supposed to be here, we sum everything, we are supposed to get 21 as well. And this is called the magic square. Okay, so it says copy and complete the 3 by 3 magic square. Okay, now looking at the diagram given, we can start by finding the value which is supposed to be here. That will make the work simple for us, because when we check the diagonal like this, you see that 2 of the values are given. Okay, so we have 10 here, we have 7 here, Okay, so you have 2 of the values given at the diagonal side. Okay, and also we can also choose to find the value which is supposed to be here, because when we check this side and this side and this side also, 2 of the values has been given, which is the column part. I hope you're okay with this. So any way that you go about it, you get the same answer. Someone can choose to come and find this side first. Why? Because 2 sides of the values, okay, the diagonal here, 2 of the values has been given, so it will be easy for you to find here. And also when you check it in the column 4 like this, okay, the 3 and the 7 has been given at this side, so meaning that we can equally find the value which is supposed to be here. Okay, so let's do exactly that. So I'm going to start by finding the value which is supposed to be here. Someone can also start by finding the value which is supposed to be here. We will get the same answer. I hope you agree with me up to this point. Okay, so I don't know the value which is here. Okay, so let me represent it by a variable. Let me say A. I hope you agree with me. So meaning that the 3 plus the 7 plus the A should give me 21. I've explained to you. It says that such that the sum of the numbers in each row, column and diagonal is equal to 21. Okay, so when we take this 3, add it to the 7, plus the value which is supposed to be, which we don't know, and we've represented it by a variable A. When we add them, it's supposed to give us 21. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to have 3. Let me clean it and write it well so that you can see it. Okay, so I'm going to have 3 plus 7 plus the A should give me 21. I hope you understand and you agree with me up to this point. And this becomes a simple linear equation to solve for the value of A. I've taught you how to solve linear equation. We've done linear equation as a full topic. Okay, so we are applying that knowledge here. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to do my 3 plus 7 is going to give me 10. Okay, plus the A equals to 21. To get my A will be equal to 21 minus 10. The 10 here crosses the equal sign. When anything crosses the equal sign, the sign it has changes. Okay, it's positive here, it crosses the equal sign, becomes negative. Okay, so I have my A equals to 21 minus 10, which will give me 11. Okay, so I have here to be 11. Okay, meaning that when we add everything up, we will get the 21. Okay, 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 11, 21. So we've done the correct thing. Okay, now we can find here as well. So let's go ahead and find this side. Okay, I hope you understand up to this point. Okay, so I'll represent here by a variable. Let's say B. Okay, so it means that 10 plus 7 plus B, okay, should give us 21. Then we solve for our B. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so let me clean. Okay, let me do it at this side. Okay, so I'm going to have 10 plus 7 plus the B should give me 21. I hope you understand and you agree with me. Okay, this is simple linear equation to solve for the B. So let's go ahead and do it. So 10 plus 7, it gives me 17. So I'm going to have 17 plus B equals to 21. Okay, I hope you understand and you agree with me up to this point. Okay, so now let's solve for B. Okay, so my B will be equal to 21 minus 17. So my B will be equal to 4. Okay, and I hope you agree with me. Okay, so I'm having here to be 4. When you add them up, of course, you get the 21. Let's check and see. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 4, 21. Okay, so here is supposed to be 4. Okay, now we can find this side also. I hope you agree with me. Okay, because we have 2 values at this row being given, which is the 10 and the 3. So we can easily know this side. Okay, so let me represent this side by a variable. Let me say C. Okay, So let me represent here by a variable c so that we can find this side. Okay, so we are going to do 10 plus 3 plus c equals to 21 so that we can get the value for c. Okay, so let me clean this side and let me continue from here. Okay, so it's going to be 10 plus 3 plus the c equals to 21. I hope you understand and you agree with me up to this point. And now this becomes a simple linear equation to solve for the value of c. Okay, let's go ahead. So 10 plus 3 gives me 13. So 13 plus c equals to 21. So my c will be equal to 21 minus 13. Okay, and that is going to give me my c equals to 8. And I hope you agree with me. 21 minus 13, it gives you 8. Okay, so I'm going to have here to be 8. Okay, let's add it and see. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. I hope you agree with me. And that is our final, that's our answer for getting the value for c here. Okay, so here is 8. Okay, let's proceed. Now, we can now find here as well. Okay, because we have two values given at this column. Okay, which is the 8 and the 4. So it can easily help us to know this side. So we need to know this side. Let me label this side as D. Okay, so let me clean what we've done here so that we can have enough space to continue. So I'll label this one as D. Okay, so it means that 8 plus D plus 4 should give us 21. I hope you agree with me. So 8 plus D plus 4 should be equal to 21. Again, a simple linear equation to solve for D. So my 8 plus 4 is going to give me 12. Okay, so I'm going to have 12 plus D equals to 21. To get my D will be equal to 21 minus 12. I hope you understand and you agree with me up to this point. Okay, so now 21 minus 12, that's going to be 9. I hope you understand. Okay, so my D will be equal to 9. So it means here is supposed to be 9. Okay, I hope you understand and you agree with me up to this point. Check and see. 8 plus the 9, it gives 17. Okay, and 17 plus the 4, it gives 21. Okay, so that's the answer. Okay, for getting the value for D. Okay, now let's go ahead and find this side. Okay, now two sides of this row, the middle row, we know it now, 7 and 9. So we can equally find this side as well. So let me represent this side by a variable. Okay, let me say E. Okay, so here is E. Then let me clean here so that we continue. So meaning that E plus 7 plus 9 should give us 21. Okay, so E plus 7 plus 9 should be equal to 21. Okay, so my E plus 7 plus 9, it gives 16 equals to 21. My E will be equal to 21 minus 16. I hope you understand and you agree up to this point. So my E will be equal to 5. 21 minus 16, it gives 5. So here will be 5. Okay, I hope you understand and you agree with me up to this point. Let's add it and check and see. 5 plus 7, it gives 12. Okay, and the 12 plus the 9, it gives 21. Okay, so we've done the correct thing. Anytime you put in the values, you need to check if it's summing up to 21. Okay, then it means you've done the correct thing. If you add it up and it doesn't give you 21, it means you've done something wrong. Then you need to cross check. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get the last part, okay, which is this side. Okay, so let me represent here by F. Okay, so now I can do 10 plus 5 plus F equals to 21, or you can do 4 plus 11 plus f equals to 21, or better still, you can do 8 plus 7 plus f equals to 21. You are going to get the same answer. Okay, so let me clean here so that I can continue from here. I'll do my 10. Okay, let me write it well so that you can see it. So I'll do my 10 plus 5 plus the f should give me 21. 10 plus 5 gives me 15. So 15 plus f equals to 21. So my f will be equal to 21 minus 15. I hope you understand. So my f will be equal to 6. Okay, 21 minus 15 gives 6. So your f is equal to 6. So here is supposed to be 6. Okay, I hope you understand and you agree with me up to this point. Okay, so this is really copying and completing the 3 by 3 magic square. Okay, so this is what you have to do. Okay, and I hope it was simple enough for you to understand. Please don't forget to like the video and also share them after watching. And if you are watching for the first time, please follow the page for me and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you again in another video whilst we handle the other questions. Bye bye.